Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sanjula Vamana, and I have come all the way here tonight to show you things you may have never seen before and things you may never want to see again. But at least you can say you saw them right here, right now. Now, tonight, the Pervesk show is a dedication to fears, in case you didn't see the Facebook invite. Now, a man such as myself that relatively seems fearless, you would think, Sanjula, you don't have any fears. But in fact, I do. Just a few. And I brought this box fan to illustrate my fear. Now, for those of you who know me, you know that I am happily married to the wonderful and talented Brett Brown. Now, those of you who know me might also think, why would she stay married to you for so long? It is in fact, ladies and gentlemen, because there are 3 parts of my body that she cannot live without. It is not my rugged good looks, it's not my chart-topping talent, or my encyclopedia knowledge of serial killers. It is in fact those 3 parts of my body, which for your amusement tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I will jam each one of those parts, from her first favorite to her last favorite, into this box fan, and attempt to stop this box fan blade. Now, you may be thinking, is the fear of losing a body part? No. I, in fact, do not ever fear losing a body part, which is how I'm able to do things that are so stupid without any real fear. My fear is, in fact, that I will lose one of the 3 of these body parts, and she will divorce me, triggering 2 of my biggest fears in life: paying alimony and paying child support. There is no 401k, and there is definitely no money in Sideshow, but don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, I am a professional. I get paid literally tens of dollars a night to do this, so don't worry. Are you worried? You look worried. You're not worried? All right, good, because I'm a professional. Now, what I need to the stage is one person, just one volunteer. One volunteer. How about you? Yes, sir. You to the stage. Now, normally you would ask a person their name, but we're not going to ask you your name tonight. You know why? Tonight we're going to go by truck stop rules. Are you familiar with truck stop rules? No names. More anonymous, more sexy. I can't have you arrested, you can't have me arrested. Who gave you hepatitis? Allow me to plug this in. Now, I didn't know if I was going to have any fans out here tonight, so I brought my own. Might as well laugh now. The jokes aren't going to get any funnier, but things are going to get a whole lot more scary. You know how I know this is my biggest fan? Because I've stuck my dick in it and it didn't press charges. Now, I told you the jokes weren't going to get any funnier, but here we go. Are you ready? Do I have your consent, first of all? Yes. Yes, good. Because I can't go back to prison. You know, no matter how many ramen noodles my ass might be worth, it just is not worth it. Now, if you could just stand to the side here, stand right there. Now, if you could just pick up that fan right there, heave it all the way up, and put your hand underneath, you'll feel another little handle. Go ahead and grab onto that. Good, 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 good. Now, I know what you may be thinking. You may think you know in succession which are her favorite body parts of mine. But you may be interested to know that her first and favorite part of my body, the one she cannot live without, is in fact this right here. This finger, I have 9 other fingers, but this is her favorite. This is her favorite body part on my body. Now, normally this is reserved just for her, but tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it is for you. Each and every one of you, this is for you. Now, we have been married for more than 5 years, which is 4 more years ahead of what the average marriage lasts. You're about to see why. As I risk my very marriage for you right now. Four more years. Now, the second part of my body, her second favorite part of my body, is the moistest, softest, pinkest part of my flesh. Ladies and gentlemen, my tongue. Now, if you notice, my tongue is actually split in two. That is not a form of body modification for me. That is a prior fuck up during this act. But don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, because now I have not 1, but 2 tongues in order to help me stop this box fan blade. Are you nervous yet? No. No. You are awesome. You are my yes man. I need you everywhere I go. Well, I gotta take off my glasses. They're expensive. Wait, I can't see what I'm doing. Hold on. Now, for her third favorite part, which in the grand scheme of things actually ends up being her least favorite part, the part of me that she could probably most definitely live without, I am going to jam that part into the fan as well. You're holding that way too high. You're giving me way too much credit. Go ahead and get down on your knees, sir. Do not touch the back of the blade, though. Or the front of the blade. I'm sorry to have to tell you this. You are not the first man who has gone down on his knees for me tonight. Hopefully, you will not be the last. You're all night. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause, who wants to see me stick my dick in this fan? Right. Who wants to see me stick my dick in this fan? It's got more applause. You'll have to wait. You'll have to take sloppy seconds. Depending on how much I bleed, they may be really, really sloppy. Now you look like a man with an honest face. So because my penis is so incredibly small, hence the third reason that my body that she likes.
Welcome to the club.
There's a club? That guy is not only a member, he's the president. Now because my penis is so incredibly small, you in the front row even may not be able to see it, so I need this honest-faced man to let people know that, in fact, I have the smallest cock I've ever seen. And then, in fact, I am stopping this box fan with said cock. That's my bigger cock. I've got my little cock inside my big cock. It's like one of those Russian dolls, you know? More layer peel off, the smaller it gets. Now, are you ready? He's been ready the whole time. He's like, hurry up and do this so I can leave and you can get the fuck off stage. Is that not, in fact, my dickhead? Is that not, in fact, the biggest dick you've seen on stage other than Rev? He's bigger, alright. I'll take that, I'll take that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3. Sorry, my beak is getting in the way. Cock 1 is trying to cockblock cock 2. Because no, on the count, you must have went to public school. Now, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you done? Do you feel done? Are you satisfied? You are satisfied. Then I guess you're done. A big round of applause for this man right here. My mystery man. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have liked what you've seen me do tonight, you can find me at my website at IllinoisSexOffenderRegistry.org/Sanjula Vamana. Thank you.